Nengi finally dumped by her boyfriend as she reveals her boyfriend has refused to pick her calls. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Nengi gave intel on her relationship outside the house during an interview with Naija FM. According to Nengi, her boyfriend doesn't answer her call and she believes he has broken up with her after being together for 2 years.
For say almost 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah,
Wow.
almost 2 years. Yeah, 2 years.
But did they look forward to getting the situationship out of and entering into a relationship back?
I don't know. It be like say the person don't really break up because
you never say they don't break up with you.
I don't know. I just they assume
But
because
you don't talk since then.
I don't try to reach out. The person
You
never
never
answer me. So
have you done the vex?
you don't vex. You don't vex.